Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick video on Altlayer. Wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to give you my thoughts on the situation right now. It's been quite bullish. I mean, even though we've had quite a flush across the markets, which you can also see right here. Total 3 is down quite a bit, so that's basically the altcoin market. Even though that's the case, altcoin has actually been able to still rally, and just in general, Altlayer. In general, it seems to be less correlated, right? If you look at Altlayer right here, what you'll see is that we still get a ton of volume coming in. The volume seems to be fine. I mean, there's some volume coming from Hotcoin, Pionex, HTX, which I don't necessarily like, but it's also not the end of the world. A lot of volume coming in, and just in general, I mean, Altlayer is a solid project, all right? It's at a $550 million market cap. If you compare that with other crypto projects around that valuation, I would say it's still quite undervalued. But I might be biased because I hold it as well. All right, I bought it all the way. Well, where did I buy it? I'm not sure where I bought it anymore. I think I bought it right here at like 34 cents. Yeah, I think I bought it at 34 cents, which, by the way, if you join my Signal group, you would have received a signal on that. But that's up to you to check out if you want that. For now, let's focus on Altlayer. So no, Altlayer itself has been doing fine. Technically, I would also say we're still bullish. We broke above yesterday already, broke above this level right here at, I would say, like 49.50 cents. That's a bit of a psychological level, of course, but there also seems to be some technical validity to that, especially if you go to the 1 hour time frame. This seems to be, or maybe even down a little bit, this seems to be the strong support level. So now, when altcoins are weak again, as you can see from the total 3, the main question is can Altlayer stay bullish? So that's why what I wanted to talk about. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you look at Altlayer right now, and if you look at the momentum it has, momentum was great for Altlayer. But if you look at the momentum right now, it's dropping down quite a bit. In general, this momentum is also very spiky, right? It's very up and down. So there's probably some whales playing around with Altlayer. That doesn't necessarily matter that much. But then again, you can also see that right now, market circumstances are not great. We're losing a lot of momentum here. I mean, the last time we had a drop like this has been a while. Last time was the 18th of February, which was right here. Back then, we dropped down quite a bit as well. And then we were saved by a big injection of capital. But who knows if that's going to happen again. I'm not sure what the funding rates are for Altlayer, but that is something we can look up. Yeah, the funding rates, I would say, are fine on Altlayer, but they're also not very low, right? They're higher than normal. So I don't know about Altlayer. Look, if I just look at the technicals, if you just look at the technicals like this, what you would say is that, all right, well, every time what happens is that we have a big spike up. It drops down a bit, down to the strong support levels, which at this point of time would be 48.5 cents. Then it consolidates, we get an injection of cash, and then we are bullish again and we rally up to the next level, which in this case would be 60 cents. So this scenario would be in line with the current price action and the market structure. However, because of the weaker altcoin market right now, I'm not sure if Altlayer can do this again. The main thing you should watch for this is the open interest. If you can, I would just keep an eye on that open interest. If you see this go up again, all right, well, then this is most likely. Then it's just going to break above 52 cents again, and we're good to go. We're rallying up higher, up towards 60 and then 65 cents, all right? However, at this moment, I think you need to prepare a little bit more for that alt is going to drop down below 48.5 cents. And if it does that, in combination with an open interest that's falling like this, that means we had a bearish breakout while losing momentum, and then it's more likely we'll actually drop down lower towards 43 cents, find support there, and consolidate on top of that, initially at least. And from there, we'll see again. I'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. But those are the two scenarios. And I think it's a little bit more likely that this will happen, this bearish scenario. But have a look at the open interest. If the open interest recovers, like I said, the situation changes. And I cannot keep you updated on that throughout the day, of course. So keep an eye on that yourselves. But for now, that's what I think. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.